Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Voidboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the best roof to install on a tight deadline. So maybe you're building admin at a school and you need the roof done, just in those 3 months when the kids are on summer vacation, or you're a business that just wants a roof done real quick because having a commercial roofing contractor on site is a safety issue, as is. But what's the best system to install if you're on a tight deadline? And the answer is, any type of fluid applied roofing system. Roof coating systems, silicone, acrylic, urethane, or spray polyurethane foam. And the reason is because you don't have to remove the entire roof. It takes a lot of time to, identify all the wet insulation, rip it all off, add new insulation on there, then put a new roofing system over top of that. When you do a coating system or a spray foam roof, you just identify what areas are bad, which ones are holding water. That could be 10% of the roof, 5% of the roof, whatever it may be. But just remove and replace those 5%, clean the roof, and then put foam or coating over top. Another reason they're good on a tight deadline is because they're fluid applied. Any HVAC unit, any pipe, any curb, anything that gets in the way of a roof, you can just spray around it and you're done. That's different than metal roof or a single ply roof, which they have to cut, fit around it, put boots down, use sealants. Some of these roofs have hundreds of penetrations on there. That just adds to the total time of the project. One project that's highlighted in the blog post is Heskett Middle School, big school in Pennsylvania, 104,000 square feet. They needed the roof done in summer vacation, while the kids were away, but they also were replacing all the ceiling tiles in the building as well. So they need a company to come in, do the roof, get us a good warranty, and do it right, and then get out so we can do 100 other things before school starts. We did the project in 37 days. The competitors doing other roofing systems were projecting at least 75 days, and that wouldn't have worked with their timeline to get everything else done. The other case study that's in this blog post is Oakview Elementary School. We did the spray foam roof in 20 days. Other competitors offering conventional roofing systems were 40 days plus. And just if you look at the pictures, you see how busy this roof is. It takes so much time to custom cut around all these penetrations and curbs. With spray foam, we just right around it and keep on going. Allows the job to get done quick. That's it for today. If you want to learn more about anything about what I said, in the description below is the link to the full blog post. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.